If you're considering a bathroom upgrade, you're likely weighing your options for shower installation Kitchener-Waterloo. With numerous choices available, you might be asking yourself whether bath fitter is worth the investment. This question matters because, in a community like Kitchener-Waterloo, homeowners are keen on both enhancing their living spaces and increasing property value. Bath Fitter offers a unique approach to bathroom renovations, promising a swift transformation without the hassle of traditional remodeling. But is it the right choice for you? In this article, we'll delve into what makes Bath Fitter a popular option, especially in our region. We'll explore its cost effectiveness, the quality of materials, and customer satisfaction to help you make an informed decision. We'll also consider the local market trends and how they might influence your renovation choices. Whether you're dealing with an outdated bath space or simply craving a fresh look, we'll provide insights into how Bath Fitter can meet your needs. By the end, you'll have a clearer picture of whether this service aligns with your renovation goals, helping you decide if it's the right fit for your home in Kitchener-Waterloo. Understanding the cost of Bath Fitter in Kitchener-Waterloo. When considering a shower installation in Kitchener-Waterloo, one popular option homeowners explore is Bath Fitter. The appeal is clear: a quick, efficient renovation process that offers a fresh look without the hassle of a full-scale remodel. However, understanding the cost associated with bath fitter installations is crucial to determine if it's the right choice for your budget and needs. In Kitchener-Waterloo, the cost of a bath fitter system can vary based on several factors, including the size of your bathroom, the specific features you choose, and any additional work that may be required for optimal installation. Typically, bath fitter installations are known for being more affordable than traditional renovations, mainly because they involve installing a new liner over your existing tub or shower. This process reduces labor costs and the time spent on demolition and waste removal. However, the initial price may still appear steep compared to DIY options or other lower-cost alternatives. It's essential to weigh the value of a bath fitter installation in terms of the quality of materials used, the warranty offered, and the longevity of the solution, which often extends far beyond cheaper, temporary fixes. Get multiple quotes from local providers to compare costs and services. Consider any additional plumbing work that might be necessary, as this can affect the overall cost. Ask about financing options or payment plans if the upfront cost is a concern. Check for local promotions or discounts that may be available at certain times of the year. Read reviews from other Kitchener-Waterloo homeowners to gauge satisfaction and value for money. For those in Kitchener-Waterloo, choosing bath fitter can be a worthwhile investment if you prioritize durability, convenience, and aesthetic appeal. While the cost might be higher than some alternatives, the seamless installation process and the professional finish can enhance both the look and functionality of your bathroom. By considering these factors and following practical tips, you can make a more informed decision about whether bath fitter is the best fit for your shower installation needs. Key benefits of choosing bath fitter for shower installation. For homeowners in Kitchener-Waterloo looking to update their bathrooms, Bath Fitter offers a compelling solution for shower installation. Known for its innovative approach, Bath Fitter provides custom-made acrylic liners that fit seamlessly over existing tubs or shower spaces. This method not only saves time, but also minimizes the disruption typically associated with traditional renovations. When considering a bathroom update, the Bath Fitter solution means you can enjoy a modern, refreshed look without the lengthy downtime or mess. One of the main advantages of choosing Bath Fitter for your shower installation in Kitchener-Waterloo is the speed and efficiency of the process. Unlike conventional renovations that can take weeks, a Bath Fitter installation can often be completed in just one day. This is particularly beneficial for busy households or those with only one bathroom, as it minimizes the inconvenience of having a non-functional bathroom space. Additionally, the quality of materials used by Bath Fitter ensures a durable and low-maintenance finish, which is ideal for withstanding the humid conditions of a bathroom environment. While Bath Fitter provides an appealing option, it's important to consider your specific needs and budget. While the initial cost might be higher than a DIY approach, the long-term savings on maintenance and repairs can make it a worthwhile investment. Moreover, for those seeking a fully customized solution, the Kitchen and Bath Reno guys in Kitchener-Waterloo can offer tailored advice and services that complement the bath fitter installation, ensuring your bathroom not only meets functional requirements but also aligns with your aesthetic preferences. Before committing, assess your current bathroom layout to ensure Bath Fitter's solution will fit seamlessly. Consult with local experts like Kitchen and Bath Reno guys to explore how Bath Fitter can be integrated into a broader renovation plan. Consider the long-term maintenance benefits of Bath Fitter's acrylic liners, which resist mold and mildew effectively. Check for any local promotions or financing options that could make the installation more affordable. Evaluate the warranty offered by Bath Fitter to ensure peace of mind about the durability of the installation. Comparing Bath Fitter to other shower renovation options in Kitchener-Waterloo. When it comes to shower installation in Kitchener-Waterloo, homeowners have a variety of options to consider, ranging from a full-scale renovation to more budget-friendly alternatives like Bath Fitter. Bath Fitter offers a quick and relatively hassle-free solution by installing an acrylic liner over your existing tub and shower area, which can be completed in as little as 1 day. This option is particularly appealing for those who want to avoid the mess and extended timelines associated with traditional renovations. However, choosing Bath Fitter over a full renovation means you're opting for a cosmetic refresh rather than a complete overhaul. While Bath Fitter can provide a new, clean look, it does not address underlying issues like plumbing, mold, or structural damage, which might need attention in older homes common in the Kitchener, Waterloo, and Cambridge areas. If your bathroom requires substantial updates, you might find a full renovation more cost-effective in the long run, despite the higher upfront cost. Another option is a custom shower installation, which allows for greater flexibility in design and materials. This approach can accommodate specific needs, such as improved accessibility or unique aesthetic preferences. However, it generally involves a longer timeline and potentially higher costs, depending on the complexity of the project. Homeowners should weigh these factors against the quick turnaround and lower maintenance of a Bath Fitter solution. Consider the age and condition of your current bathroom. If there are underlying issues, a full renovation might be more beneficial. For a quick update, Bath Fitter can offer a fresh look without the downtime of traditional renovations. Custom shower installations provide flexibility, but require more time and budget planning. If you live in an older home in Kitchener-Waterloo, assess whether plumbing or structural updates are needed before choosing a Bath Fitter solution. Consult with local renovation experts to understand the best option for your specific needs and budget. Customer reviews. Bath Fitter experiences in the Kitchener-Waterloo area. Homeowners in Kitchener-Waterloo are often on the lookout for efficient and cost-effective solutions to bathroom renovations, and Bath Fitter has been a popular choice. Through their unique shower installation process, Bath Fitter offers a quick turnaround time, with many installations completed within a day. This can be particularly appealing for those who want to minimize disruption in their daily routines. However, while many residents report a positive experience, some have noted that the initial cost may be higher than other traditional renovation methods. It's crucial to weigh the benefits of convenience and durability against the upfront expenses. Customer feedback in the Kitchener-Waterloo area highlights a few consistent themes. Many appreciate the quality of the materials used by Bath Fitter, noting the seamless finish and easy maintenance of the acrylic liners. The company's lifetime warranty is frequently mentioned as a reassuring factor, offering peace of mind about the longevity of the installation. On the downside, some customers have pointed out that, while the installation is quick, scheduling the initial consultation and the actual installation date can sometimes take longer than expected, particularly during peak renovation seasons. This is something to consider if you have a specific timeline in mind. Schedule a consultation with Bath Fitter well in advance to avoid delays, especially in busy renovation periods. Consider the long-term value of the lifetime warranty, when comparing costs with other renovation options. Ask about the range of customization options available to ensure the final look aligns with your vision for your bathroom. Evaluate the impact of a quick installation on your household's schedule, as this can be a significant advantage. Read reviews from other Kitchener-Waterloo homeowners to gain insights into their experiences and satisfaction levels. How to get the best deal on bath fitter installations locally. For homeowners in Kitchener-Waterloo considering a bath fitter installation, finding the best deal involves a combination of research, timing, and negotiation. Bath Fitter offers a convenient solution for shower installation in Kitchener-Waterloo, providing a seamless acrylic overlay that can significantly enhance the appearance and functionality of your bathroom without the mess and time commitment of a full remodel. However, the cost can be a concern, so understanding how to navigate the purchasing process can save you both time and money. First, it's important to assess your specific needs and budget. A bath fitter installation might be more economical than a traditional renovation, but prices can vary based on the size of your bathroom, the extent of customization required, and any additional features you might want to include. Engaging with local bath fitter dealers can provide insights into current promotions or discounts. Additionally, comparing quotes from multiple providers in the Kitchener-Waterloo area can help ensure you're getting a competitive price. Remember, the cheapest option isn't always the best, so weigh the cost against the quality of materials and the company's reputation. Request multiple quotes. Contact several local bath fitter dealers to compare pricing and services. This can help ensure you're getting the best possible deal. Look for seasonal discounts. Many companies offer promotions during certain times of the year, such as spring or fall. Keep an eye out for these to save money. Check for financing options. Some dealers offer financing plans that can make the upfront cost more manageable. Be sure to ask about any available options. Read customer reviews. Local reviews can provide insight into the experiences of other homeowners in the area, helping you choose a reputable dealer. Negotiate. Don't be afraid to negotiate with dealers. Sometimes, simply asking can lead to additional savings or added benefits like extended warranties. In conclusion, while bath fitter installations can offer a practical and stylish solution for bathroom upgrades, especially for those focused on shower installation in Kitchener-Waterloo, getting the best deal requires a strategic approach. By following these tips, you can maximize your investment and enjoy a beautifully renovated bathroom without breaking the bank. Frequently asked questions. Q. How long does a bath fitter installation take in Kitchener-Waterloo? A. Bath fitter installations typically take just 1 day to complete. This quick turnaround is possible because the custom-made acrylic liner is designed to fit over your existing bathtub or shower, minimizing the need for extensive demolition or reconstruction. This makes it an excellent option for homeowners in Kitchener-Waterloo looking for a fast, stress-free bathroom upgrade. Q. Are bath fitter products durable enough for long-term use? A. Yes, bath fitter products are made from high-quality acrylic materials that are designed to last for years. They are resistant to chipping, cracking, and fading, making them a practical choice for long-term use. Additionally, Bath Fitter offers a lifetime warranty, providing Kitchener-Waterloo homeowners with added peace of mind regarding their investment. How does the cost of Bath Fitter compare to a full bathroom renovation in Kitchener-Waterloo? A. Bath Fitter is generally more affordable than a full bathroom renovation. While the exact cost can vary based on specific needs and customizations, bath fitter installations are typically less expensive because they require less labor and materials. This makes it an attractive option for Kitchener-Waterloo homeowners seeking a budget-friendly solution without compromising on quality and aesthetics. If you're considering a bath fitter project in Kitchener-Waterloo and wondering if it's worth the investment, let the experts at Kitchen and Bath Reno Guys guide you. With our extensive experience and commitment to quality, we ensure your renovation project exceeds expectations. Visit our Kitchen and Bath Reno Guys on Google for reviews or explore our Kitchen Renovations Kitchener-Waterloo services. Call us today at 226-894-0234 or book a free estimate at kitchenandbathrenoguys.ca to start your journey towards a beautiful, functional bathroom.